Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be comparing VoiceInk and Superwhisper to see if which app is better in 2026. So this video is a comparison of VoiceInk and Superwhisper, two popular macOS speech-to-text dictation apps powered by AI. So let's find out which delivers better accuracy and features. So let's start with a side-by-side overview. So VoiceInk and Superwhisper are both macOS menu bar applications for AI-powered speech-to-text. Both use Whisper-based models for transcription, but differ in features, UI, and pricing. Next is the VoiceInk interface and transcription. So VoiceInk features a waveform visualization during recording, language selection, and a clean text output area. So the transcription is fast and accurate with support for multiple languages. Next is Superwhisper interface and the transcription. So the Superwhisper's Whisper offers AI-powered transcription with model selection, recording controls, and instant text output. So it emphasizes simplicity with a minimal floating window design. Next is settings and model configuration. So both applications lets you configure AI model options, keyboard shortcuts, and accuracy settings. So VoiceInk offers more granular control, while the Superwhisper focuses on simplicity. Lastly is a feature comparison and verdict. So VoiceInk excels in customization and language support, while the Superwhisper wins on AI-powered text reformatting and simpler UX. So both offer offline support and competitive accuracy. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!